Another way that I've helped clients really spruce up an apartment to raise rent is through the flooring. And in some cases, you'll have real natural hardwood floors, and those are always the best because they can be refinished over and over again. But an awesome alternative are these vinyl plank or engineered wood flooring that are much more durable. They're much easier to replace if they're damaged, and these things really install very easily. So I had a flooring guy quote me $6,000 to do a one-bedroom apartment in all hardwood. The same apartment, $2,350 to do vinyl plank flooring. And the sound dampening is much stronger on a vinyl plank flooring, especially in an old high-rise building with concrete floors. So these are an awesome alternative, and they really come out looking great, like nice natural wood. One pro tip though is don't just pick off of the sample. Make sure you see a picture of it in the room, because it can look very different when it's on a large scale than it is in a single sample. Sometimes they come in really broad patterns from piece to piece. So make sure you see the picture of the whole room and decide if this is what the look you're going for. And then if that looks good, then that's your sample.